Play Store gift card redeem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can redeem your gift card on your Google Play Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to redeem your gift card on Google Play Store and if you'd like to purchase some apps, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is launch your Google Play Store and tap on your Google profile from the top right hand side of the screen, and then from here you want to simply go to the option called payment and subscriptions. Once you come to payment and subscriptions, here you'll find an option known as redeem code. So you want to tap the redeem code option, and from the bottom you can see it will ask me to enter the code. Now you can enter the code manually, or you can choose to scan the gift card and then just place the code right underneath this camera here, and then once you basically scan your gift card code, you should be able to redeem them. This way you can redeem your Play Store gift card. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.